Welcome back to Best Futuristic Gadgets. Your home should work for you, not the other way around. It should lock itself when you leave, mow the lawn without being asked, put you to sleep with the right light and the right sound, and manage every device in every room from a single remote that actually understands what you need. 10 smart home AI devices that make that version of home life real, and every single one of them is on another level entirely. Number 1. 6 remotes on your couch, and you still reach for the wrong one every single time. The SofaBaton X2 replaces every single one of them. IR and RF blaster technology that communicates with virtually any device ever made. TV, soundbar, streaming box, AC, smart lights, set-top box, regardless of brand, regardless of age. One remote, your entire home entertainment and smart device setup, controlled from one hand. The OLED touchscreen display shows exactly what you're controlling in real time, context-aware controls that change based on which device is active, so the buttons you see are always the ones you actually need right now. No more button guessing in a dark room at 10 at night. Activity-based macros are where it becomes genuinely powerful. Set up a watch Netflix scene. One button press turns on the TV, switches to the right input, launches the app, sets the soundbar to your preferred volume, and dims the smart lights. Every step automated, every time, without touching a second device. App-based setup takes minutes. Cloud backup saves every setting. Premium build quality that feels like serious hardware in your hand every evening. 10 remotes became one. The SofaBaton X2 is why you never needed the other 9. Number 2. The promise of a home service robot has always been the same, and it's always fallen short in the same place. The Futuring Robot F2 is where that changes. This is a new generation home service robot built around spatial intelligence that goes beyond simple obstacle avoidance. The F2 actually understands the rooms it operates in. It maps your layout, learns the context of different spaces, identifies what belongs where, and moves through your home with the kind of environmental awareness that makes it genuinely useful rather than just impressive to watch. The service arm is where the F2 earns its place in your home. Dexterous enough to interact meaningfully with your physical environment, picking objects up off the floor, delivering items between rooms, assisting with tasks that require a capable hand and a physical presence. Not a demo arm, a working one. Voice interaction is completely natural. Tell it what you need in plain language, and it figures out the execution. No command syntax, no app navigation, no training required. Just conversation. The design is clean and considered. The F2 looks like it belongs in a living space rather than escaped from a warehouse floor. Home robots have been arriving for decades. The F2 actually arrived. Number 3. Smart home automation has always required one thing too many. You. Setting routines, creating scenes, troubleshooting integrations, managing apps. You spent more time configuring your smart home than actually living in it. Soul removed you from that equation entirely. This is a home automation system built around genuine autopilot, AI that observes how you live, learns your patterns, and builds your automations for you without you writing a single rule. It watches what you do, when you do it, and starts doing it automatically before you have to ask. Lights that adjust as your day changes, temperature that tracks your comfort preferences across different times and seasons, devices that respond to your presence and your absence without a single manual trigger. Soul integrates with your existing smart home devices. It's not asking you to start over. It's asking you to stop managing what's already there and let something smarter handle it. Smart Home promised autopilot for years. Soul is the first system that actually delivers it. Number 4. Your mattress does one thing. It holds you while you sleep. It has no idea how well that's going. The Stareep S3 Pro knows exactly how well it's going and actively does something about it. This is a dual AI flagship smart mattress that monitors your sleep in real time and adjusts its own physical properties to optimize the quality of what's happening in your body while you're unconscious. The first AI layer tracks your biometrics continuously throughout the night: heart rate, breathing rate, sleep stages, body movement, and skin temperature, building a detailed picture of your sleep quality with clinical-grade precision and no wearable required. The second AI layer acts on that data in real time. Firmness zones adjust based on your sleeping position. Temperature regulation responds to your body heat fluctuations. Support profiles shift as you move through different sleep stages. Softer during light sleep, more supportive during deep sleep when your body is doing its heaviest recovery work. Morning Report delivers a full breakdown. What happened, what was adjusted, where your sleep quality improved, and what the mattress recommends for tonight. Your mattress has been passive your entire life. The S3 Pro is the first one that's actually working while you sleep. Number 5. Most speakers wake you up. The DIVOOM FlowToo was designed to do the opposite. This is a smart speaker built specifically around sleep, combining premium audio, dynamic ambient lighting, and AI sleep programming into a bedside device that manages your entire wind-down and wake-up experience automatically. The sleep audio library is extensive. Nature soundscapes, brown noise, binaural frequencies, guided relaxation sessions, all curated for sleep induction rather than entertainment. The AI learns which sounds work for you specifically and builds your personal sleep audio profile over time. The lighting system works in concert with the audio. Warm, dim light that shifts in color, temperature, and brightness according to your sleep schedule, supporting your circadian rhythm rather than disrupting it. Wake-up mode reverses the process, a gradual light and audio sequence that brings you out of sleep naturally in the minutes before your alarm, so you're already partly awake when it goes off instead of being ripped out of deep sleep by a shock. Your phone alarm is a blunt instrument. The FlowToo is a sleep system, and the difference shows up every morning. Number 6. One camera, one angle, one blind spot big enough to drive a problem through. The Aqara Camera Hub G350 sees everything. This is a 4K AI smart camera with 360-degree motorized coverage, a pan-tilt system that tracks movement across your entire space and follows subjects automatically, keeping whatever matters in frame without you touching a control. The AI detection layer separates intelligent events from noise. Person detection, package detection, vehicle recognition, animal identification, so your phone gets an alert when something worth knowing about happens, not every time a shadow moves or a leaf past the lens. 4K resolution means the footage is actually useful. Faces readable, details clear, license plates legible, everything captured with enough quality to matter when it matters. Local storage plus cloud backup options, full integration with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Alexa, and the Aqara Smart Home ecosystem, and a hub function that connects and manages other Aqara devices from a single point. 360 degrees, 4K, AI that knows the difference between a person and a pet. The G350 doesn't just watch your home, it understands it. Number 7. Light is the most powerful signal your body has for when to sleep and when to wake up. Most bedside lamps completely ignore that fact. The Sleepal AI lamp was built around it entirely. This is an AI sleep lamp that uses light as a therapeutic tool, scientifically calibrated color temperatures and brightness levels that work with your circadian rhythm throughout the day and actively support your body's natural transition into sleep at night. The AI tracks your sleep patterns over time through built-in sensors that monitor your sleep environment, room temperature, humidity, light levels, and sound, and adjusts its own behavior nightly based on what the data shows is working for you. Wind-down mode begins automatically at your set time. Warm, amber light that dims gradually over the hour before sleep, signaling your brain to start producing melatonin without a supplement in sight. Wake-up light builds from darkness to gentle sunrise over the 20 minutes before your alarm, pulling you out of sleep naturally rather than violently, with your body already in a lighter stage of the cycle by the time the sound activates. Sleep tracking data syncs to the companion app, a nightly report of your environment, your sleep quality, and the lamp's adjustments. Your body already knows how to sleep perfectly. The Sleepal AI lamp just gives it the right conditions to do it. Number 8. Mowing the lawn takes time you don't have and energy you'd rather spend literally anywhere else. The RockNeo Q110H takes it off your list permanently. This is a robotic lawnmower that maps your garden, creates its own sowing schedule, and handles the entire job autonomously. No boundary wire to lay, no manual programming required. GPS and AI navigation build a precise map of your outdoor space and guide the mower in efficient, overlapping patterns that leave an even, clean cut every time. Rain sensor pauses the mow when the weather turns and resumes when conditions are right. Anti-theft alarm and GPS tracking means it's not going anywhere without your knowledge. And automatic return to the charging station means it's always topped up and ready for the next scheduled run. Quiet enough to run at night without bothering anyone, compact enough to handle tight corners and complex garden shapes without getting stuck. Your lawn used to require a Saturday morning. The Q110H just gave it back to you. Number 9. Keys get lost, get copied, get left inside the house you're now locked out of. The Lockin V7 Max is completely done with all of that. This is a true AI smart lock, and the word true is doing real work here. 3D facial recognition that works in complete darkness, fingerprint scanning with sub-second response, PIN code, NFC card, and voice recognition. 5 independent authentication methods, every one faster, more secure, and more convenient than anything a key has ever offered. The AI continuously improves recognition accuracy over time, flags unusual access attempts, and sends real-time alerts to your phone whenever something worth knowing happens at your front door. Not just when it opens, when anything happens near it. Remote access management lets you grant entry from anywhere in the world. Temporary access codes for guests, cleaners, and deliveries. Active for exactly the window you set and gone the moment it closes. Premium build, weather-resistant, the kind of hardware that makes your front door look as secure as it actually is. Your door should know who you are. The Lockin V7 Max makes absolutely sure it does. Number 10. You've upgraded everything in your home, and your ceiling is still a flat white rectangle doing absolutely nothing. This is Nanoleaf Skylight, and that ends today. Modular smart ceiling light panels that transform your ceiling into a fully programmable canvas of light, installed without rewiring, without contractors, without anything more than a free afternoon and a layout you design yourself. Full color control, custom scenes built around your day, morning whites that energize you, evening amber that winds you down, movie night sync that makes the ceiling part of the cinematic experience, works natively with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Alexa, plays with everything you already have. The Nanoleaf app is genuinely one of the best smart home interfaces available. Drag your panels, drop your colors, build your scene. Done. Couldn't be simpler or more satisfying. This isn't a lighting upgrade. It's a full room transformation, starting from the top. Look up, your ceiling just became the most interesting surface in your home. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.